What's up guys, Shehbaz here. So the OnePlus 9T Pro will receive a huge battery, powerful chipset and updated operating system. Yes, the manufacturer has never installed such batteries in their smartphones before. Exploring the future flagship smartphone, OnePlus 9T Pro new stunning design, latest features, smartphone characteristics, camera configurations, price, release date, and much more. Please watch the full video content. Last month, OnePlus 9 smartphones are officially announced. Now, the network has new details about the OnePlus next flagship smartphone. Yes, the first information about the preliminary specifications of the new flagship smartphone of the OnePlus T line appeared on the network. We are talking about a device called OnePlus 9T Pro. Yes, Chinese sources have revealed the first details about the new flagship smartphone of the OnePlus T line, which will be released under the name OnePlus 9T Pro. According to available data, the OnePlus 9T Pro will be featured a 6.9 inches LTPO Fluid 2 AMOLED display with a resolution of 1440 by 3216 pixels. The screen refresh rate will be up to 120 Hz. Plus, it will support an adjustable refresh rate to save battery power. The front panel will be covered with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The smartphone will receive a top-end camera with 4 image sensors, including the main one with a resolution of 64 megapixels. The front camera must have a resolution of 32 megapixels. A feature of the novelty, according to sources, will be a huge rechargeable battery. Yes, according to the latest report, the new OnePlus 9T Pro will feature a 5500 mAh battery. The smartphone will support fast charging with a capacity of at least 65 watts, 50 watts fast wireless charging, and USB power delivery. The smartphone will be running the Android 11 operating system with Oxygen OS 11.5, which will soon be available for OnePlus models. It is assumed that the OnePlus 9T Pro will be built on the basis of the current year's Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 single-chip system with Adreno 660 graphics accelerator. The new OnePlus 9T Pro will receive at least 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB of flash memory for data storage. The exact launch date and price of the future flagship smartphone are not officially disclosed. But according to some rumors, the new OnePlus 9T Pro is expected to launch in October this year and will retail price for around $900. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care yourself very well. Peace out.